Have you got 2 bananas and 2 apples? In under 30 minutes, you can make this soft and delicious bakery style muffin right at home. Let me show you how I make it. Let's go. Let's make some quick banana and apple muffin. Mash until smooth, just like this. Set this aside, bring in the apples. Sprinkle a bit of flour. This is just to prevent them from sinking to the bottom. And you're going to give this a mix until fully coated. All done, and we're using 2 apples, and I have left the skin on, but you can remove. Let's mix the following ingredients in a big bowl. A mashed banana, melted butter, sugar, milk, that's 3 tablespoons of milk and 1/4 cup of sugar. And now we're going in with 2 eggs, in with some vanilla extract, and we're going to whisk that until combined. Okay, that's all done, and we're going to set that aside and get onto the dry ingredients. Let's start off now by sifting some flour or dried ingredients. Up next is 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now for a pinch of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. We're going to give that a good mix before we start to add our dried ingredient into our wet ingredient. And that pinch of salt is just for balance. Because we have sugar, we're going to have some maple syrup and the sweetness from the banana and also the apples. We are going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients in stages and mix to combine. Try not to over mix during this process. In with some more flour mixture. We're just going to continue until it's all done. Okay, this is fully mixed through, and now I'm going to swap this so that I can combine the rest of the ingredients. In with our apples, and you can add nuts to this if you want, but I don't use nuts in my cooking. And we've got some 72% dark chocolate here. You can use dark chocolate chips, but I didn't have any chips left over, so I've just chopped up a bar of that chocolate, and I'm using about 70 grams of dark chocolate. We're just going to gently fold this all in until it's fully combined. Let's load the cups up now. Right, and I've got the oven already been preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. And for the first 5 minutes, I'm going to bake these muffins. And then after 5 minutes, I'm going to reduce the temperature down to 180 because I'm looking for like those high rising muffins. And yeah, so I'm going to test this out. Yeah, let's fill all our cups. We're going to add some banana slices on top of our muffin. We are ready for the oven. Okay, and the second bake will be for about 18 to 20 minutes. Let's get these out of the oven. Okay, so all looking nice. Good, let's have a prick just to see. Okay, so this is nice and clean. I'm going to prick some holes into these, and I'm going to sprinkle some maple syrup over them. I'm going to let them be nice and cool before we can try them. And there you have it, guys, my moist, soft apple banana muffin. Like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Woohoo! Look at that. Beautiful, soft, moist